Hey guys, Tiger with Garage Dream Auctions here. Behind me we have a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's finished in a Corvette bowling green. So let's take a look. It also has the painted, not decals, but painted gold stripes on it. You can really see the metallic flake pop. Let me get my shadow out of the way. You can really see the gold, or the metallic flake and the gold pop in the sunlight. This green is very, very low key. It looks like black in the shade. It's very difficult to tell that it's green unless you see it directly in the sunlight. Like right here, I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but you can see the sun hitting it here and you can tell it's green. But otherwise, if you look just down this side, it looks black. So really, really nice green color on this. I'm a big fan of this green. Lots and lots of work done to this vehicle. It was restored before 2010. We don't have the document, or waiting to get some of the documents, so I'll include that in the description, but restored before 2010, somewhere between 2005 and 10. We know that much at the moment. All the chrome is in excellent condition. I mean, you can just see in the wheel wells here, the chrome has no pitting, no bubbling, no nothing. Let's look at the chrome, the front bumper here. Again, no issues with the chrome whatsoever. There is actually one issue with the chrome in the rear, so let's go take a look at that. So we have that little, I don't know what you would call it, not a scratch, but looks like a piece of the chrome chipped off or something like that. But otherwise, the car's pretty much flawless. I mean, look at the, again, just look at this paint. This paint, man, wow, this paint is really doing it for me. If I had the money, it would be in the garage. But anyway, yeah, it's got the quad taillights, dual exhaust exits, boom and boom. So this car was a frame-on restoration. It has a lot of work done to it, so some of the notable things I have in my hand here, so I'll just read it off. It has a 1972 350 block, bored 30 over, balanced and decked. Honestly, I don't know exactly what that means, but I'm sure some of you guys will know better than I do. It's got super stocked forged steel rods, new cam and lifters, 224 465. It's got roller rockers, TRW flat top pistons, Hooker super comp headers, powder coated inside and outside. Say that 10 times fast. Demon carb, Edelbrock RPM air gap intake, MSD HEI distributor, Griffin aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. When we look at the under the hood, we'll show you those electric fans. Aluminum heads, 202, dual Flowmaster exhaust. And guys, this car sounds really nice, might I add. 10 bolt POSI or POSI rear end with 3.73 gears. It's got new disc brakes up front. It's got drums in the rear. It has new suspension, coilovers all around. Not leaf springs. I don't know if these cars came with leaf springs originally or not, but this one has coilovers. Let's see. It's got a new 700 R4 tranny with heavy duty clutches and 3000 stall converter, custom drive shaft, all new exterior chrome and weather strippings, as we just showed, all the new chrome bits on it. New windshield, tinted glass, new interior carpets. All seats were refoamed and reupholstered in the factory color. It's got a dress-up kit on the engine. We'll again show you that. And then the final note is pretty much everything on this car was replaced with new. I am sure there is a lot more, but I can't remember it all at the moment. So that's the notes. That's the notes I have on it now. So let's just take a little look around it. I mean, yeah, they just don't really make cars like this anymore. Let's take a look at that interior. And then we have a big camera, so I don't know if it's going to be able to take a look at the dash, but there's no cracks on the dash. We have a photo of that. Oh yeah, there you go, perfect. Yeah, you can see that. So no cracks on the dash. Garage kept most of its life. I just got confirmation from the owner. Yeah, I mean, the seats refoamed, reupholstered. Yeah, this thing is super clean. I love these Chevelles, so to me, this is really, really nice. But anyway, so without further ado, let's get into the B-roll and so you guys can take a detailed look at this car. Thank you guys. cold start now. Look at this. I can put my hand on the exhaust. Cold, not burning, no blisters on my fingers. All right, so let's do it. Very throaty. The owner is gracious enough to let me drive this. This is the first Chevelle I've ever driven. I'm very happy to drive it. So without further ado, yeah, let's, the shifter is a little bit different. You have to push this red thing forward to get into reverse and park because it locks at neutral. So got that now. So yeah, off we go. Not quite used to this throttle yet. My Subaru is a lot more, a lot different. Yeah, this thing is sweet. Guys, let's take a look at this steering wheel. One thing I love about all these old cars is the thin steering wheels. Like, they just feel so good. There's just something about thin steering wheels compared to these bulky new ones that new cars have that it's just special, you know? Today is special. It's not every day you get to drive a Chevelle, let alone a super clean one in a bowling green, which, like, dark blue and dark green are my two favorite colors, especially on cars, but just in general. So to be able to be driving one of these, especially in a dark green, bowling green, is an honor. Oh, still not quite used to the throttle. This isn't my car, so I don't want to, like, give it too much gas, but let's just oh yeah, you could tell this thing's got some serious power. Oh yeah. If you are looking for a car guaranteed to put a smile on your face, this is it. This thing is, this was an honor. This was an absolute honor. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys are interested, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out through our website, through YouTube, whatever. But anyway, thank you guys, appreciate it.